Bitcoin is still breaking out to the upside while this massive news is coming out. It is just going to be a matter of time until we are going to be breaking above this resistance. So we are going to need to be talking about that exactly. A new month is about to be getting started and February is looking bullish for Bitcoin. All of the Bitcoin liquidity is sitting at the top side, so we are going to need to be talking about that exactly and much more in today's update video. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 200 likes? That will be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's have a look into what's the short term. And in that short term, Bitcoin has been beautifully breaking out of this falling wedge pattern, also this falling wedge pattern in the longer term, and also this symmetrical triangle over here. So it has been starting to look very good. Now we are going to be waiting for our continuation towards the upside. For that continuation, we have been having a look into this smaller falling wedge pattern over here. We have been seeing the break towards the upside. We have been pushing back towards the upside. We have been getting this bullish news yesterday, but Bitcoin is still trying to be breaking above this level of resistance over here. Yesterday, we have been talking about this. Yesterday, I have been saying that this is going to be the most important level of resistance to be breaking above. Bitcoin is still trading inside of this upper side of the range over here. Bitcoin is still trying to be breaking above this level of resistance. So yeah, I have been saying yesterday, do still be a little bit cautious. Whenever Bitcoin is going to be breaking above, that is going to be the moment where we're going to be seeing our insane push back towards the upside. That is going to be the moment where I think we're going to be breaking above that 110k level of resistance. So we still just need to be a little bit more patient until we're going to be breaking above this level of resistance over here. Now, yes, the Bitcoin charts are still looking very good. If we are going to be having a look into this chart over here, well, obviously we have been grabbing that downside liquidity before initiating that next leg towards the upside. Right now, we are just consolidating, waiting for that next Bitcoin move. We are creating this bull flag pattern over here, leading in towards this pattern with this liquidity grab towards the downside, bullish momentum towards the upside. It's looking very good in my opinion. We are going to be headed for another bullish month. Of course, January has been closing in plus 11% for Bitcoin, or we haven't closed yet, but almost, right? But February is looking, historically speaking, like a bit more of a bullish month, because historically speaking, on the average, we've been closing February in plus 15%, which is absolutely insane. The median has been also plus 15%. So yeah, we are going to be headed for another massive bullish month over here for the Bitcoin price. And this is pretty much all happening while all of the liquidity is still being created on the top side. Like you can be seeing over here on the weekly time frame, all of the liquidity is sitting at the top side. We tried to be grabbing it yesterday, but we couldn't just succeed because we were still having this level of resistance over here. So eventually we are going to be grabbing that upside liquidity in my opinion. And whenever we're going to be doing that, then we're going to be seeing this break towards the upside outside of this range. So it is just going to be a matter of time. The Bitcoin charts are still looking very good. The Bitcoin funding rates are still looking very healthy. I do not see any reason to be worried over here. It is only just going to be a matter of time before we're going to be initiating that next leg towards the upside. Anyways, yes, Bitcoin is looking pretty good, but I think that Ethereum is looking great. If we're going to be having a look into the chart of Ethereum, well, Ethereum is still trading inside of this massive falling wedge pattern that we have been creating. Of course, Ethereum has been doing this many times, and whenever it has been breaking outside of this falling wedge pattern over here, for example, right over here, well, that's been the moment where we saw this insane significant pump towards the upside. Right now, we are just doing the same exact thing in the shorter time frame. This falling wedge pattern that we are developing right now is looking absolutely beautiful. While many people are starting to fade Ethereum right now, I'm going to be having a look into Ethereum, and I am going to be awaiting this massive opportunity over here. Ethereum is right now lagging behind Bitcoin, but eventually it will start to catch up. And eventually, whenever we are going to be breaking above this 4K level of resistance, that is going to be the moment where I think the true altcoin season is going to be getting started. And that's going to be the moment where Ethereum will start to go parabolic towards the upside. Like, for example, you can be seeing in this chart over here. It's just going to be a matter of time until we're eventually going to be breaking above this level of resistance. But whenever we do, then we are about to go absolutely parabolic. So anyways, if you're going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, if you're going to be getting interested in trading Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other altcoin, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming $100,000 deposit bonus, which is completely insane. Now, the best thing is, over on Blofin, you do not need any KYC, so everyone is eligible to sign up a new account over on Blofin. Now, do check if it's going to be available in your country and in your region. If it is going to be available in your country and region, make sure to be checking that one out with the first link down below. If it is going to be available, then you can be claiming this $100,000 deposit bonus. If it is not going to be available, you want to be checking out Bybit with that second link down below, because Bybit is the most regulated exchange, but Blofin is the best exchange right now with the biggest deposit bonus, no KYC, and the best user experience. Anyways, yeah, still zooming out, Ethereum is in this massive consolidation over here. We have seen it time and time again playing out. This is going to be the time to be paying attention. While everyone is looking left, we should be looking right. We have been exactly grabbing that downside liquidity for Ethereum already. And yeah, it is just looking like last year, February, where we have also exploded towards the upside massively. This range over here is looking exactly the same, so looking very interesting. Anyways, for the total crypto market cap, yeah, we are about to be breaking outside of this level of resistance. This is the total tree. It is just going to be a matter of time. I mean, altcoin season is just around the corner. But anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.